This is how we make fire. We rub sticks all day long. On rainy days, we don't eat. Then we go to McDonald's. I hate this joke. Are you making movies? Yes. Hey. Make sure you see the movie. It's called Making Fire. See the smoke? Did you see the smoke? Yeah! That's fire. Everybody please say fire. Fire! Do you want to see a big fire? Yes! Let me go get some gasoline. All I have to do is get dry and flammable. We're taking these papers, or at least this dry coconut husk. We call it pulu. Everybody please say pulu. 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 Okay. Transfer the burning particles to pulu. Holy smoke. You want to see flames? Yeah. $5. Please say fire! Fire! Japanese, he! Korea, who? Argentina. Fuego! Fuego! Do you want to see how we put it out? Yes. It's not what you think. Smoking section over here. I sent this fire to the cooking place so the men can start cooking. Get back to your seat. I'm not going to hit it. Okay, now any questions about making fire?
No.
Good. You can do this anytime. You know why? Because any wood works, as long as it's dry. Do you know the name of this wood? No? Firewood. The brands from the wild hibiscus tree, but you go home and use any wood. Pine wood. There's so many people. You can use redwood, oak wood. Japanese use plywood. Anybody here from California?
Yeah.
Go home and use Hollywood. You can do it too, okay? Don't forget.